In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to access your YouTube recap. Let's get started. YouTube does not release the recap to everyone at the same time. Some users get it earlier while others may have to wait. The first thing is to try open your web browser on any device. Now navigate to this website youtube.com/recap. If your recap has been enabled, it will load instantly, showing you your top creators, videos, playlists, and everything you watched throughout the year. If that does not work or the page appears empty, don't worry, there is another method. Open the YouTube app on a phone, then head over to the U tab, and you should see a banner at the top of the screen that says something like "Your Recap 2025 is here" or "See your recap." If you see this banner, just tap it and your recap will open right away. However, if the banner does not appear yet, it's completely normal. YouTube rolls out this feature slowly, so check back later today or sometime this week. These are the two easiest ways to access your YouTube recap. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.